Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials and then act fast. First, make sure your device is online and Gmail isn't reporting outages. Low storage can stop delivery, so free space now. Next, search all mail and spam for missing messages because filters or automatic archiving often move mail silently. Once done, open Settings and check Forwarding, pop/IMAP, and blocked addresses. Incorrect forwarding or a blocked sender is a common cause, so correct or disable those entries immediately. Now dive deeper into execution and rationale. You should methodically review filters and rules because an auto-delete or archive filter is often the culprit. Edit or remove problematic rules. Then inspect connected apps and any third-party clients. IMAP/POP settings can conflict and download messages to another device, removing them from the server. Also verify account security. Changed passwords, revoked app access, and two-step verification can disrupt delivery. Secure or reauthorize devices so Gmail accepts incoming mail again. Finish by applying final corrective steps and a single troubleshooting tip. Clear browser cache or app data and disable email-related extensions, then sign out and sign back in to force fresh sync. On mobile, remove and re-add the account or update the Gmail app to eliminate client-side bugs. Once everything is reset, send a test message from a different account. If mail still doesn't arrive, use incognito and check workspace admin logs or contact Google support. This
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.